Hey guys, welcome back to lecture series on statistics. In my today's video, I'm gonna explain to you all momentous, which is the next point for our lecture. Already I have uploaded plenty of the videos guys based on the measure of the central tendencies, mean deviation and standard deviation. If you are interested to see this video guys, check here in I button or in my description box. You will get the complete playlist. So in my today's video guys, I'm gonna explain to you all the momentous. Okay, so what actually the momentous here in our statistic. Okay, now see that momentous we define it on the measure of central tendency. Okay, like arithmetic mean. Okay, so we define momentous on arithmetic mean. Okay, or mean or raw data we define it on the arithmetic mean. Okay, so for this all these things we call it as the momentous. Okay, so we are going to define momentous on arithmetic mean and the types of the momentous. Okay, so majorly we have two types of the momentous. First is the central momentous and second is the raw momentous. Okay, how many types we have? We have two types of the momentous. Okay, yes, first is the central. First is the central momentous and second one is the raw. Okay, raw momentous. Yes, these are the two major type here for the momentous guys. Okay, we are going to understand these two momentous in detail. Okay, so now see that guys, momentous. Okay, momentous, central momentous, we define it as the UI. Okay, we denoted UI as a central momentous. Okay, I will write in the short form only. Okay, so UI we define central momentous as a UI and the raw momentous. Okay, we define mu. Okay, u r dash. You consider any variable. Okay, u dash of r. You can consider this way also. And these are the just notation guys. Okay, for central momentous we consider here mu dash u dash. Okay, that means mu I, and raw momentous we consider the mu r dash. Okay, need to understand this one. Okay, so momentous about the mean are known as central momentous. Okay, so momentous about mean, what is the meaning here? Okay, what is the meaning for central momentous? Momentous about the mean. Momentous about mean. Okay, momentous about the mean we call it as the central momentous. Okay, the arithmetic mean of a various powers of a deviation. Okay, like what is the arithmetic means for various powers of a deviation? Means xi minus x bar. Okay, after that xi minus x bar square, after that xi minus x bar cube, and so on. Okay, this is the various power. Okay, various powers of the deviation xi minus x bar. Okay, which is called as a central momentous. Okay, and denoted by mu I. Okay, yes, so we write momentous. Okay, let me write momentous. We have some specific momentous which is assigned here. So we write mu1 which is equal to 0 as the first momentous. Okay, so for the second momentous we consider it as the mu2. Okay, so we write mu2 as, okay, let me write the next momentous. So here guys, we are going to define this momentous for grouped data and ungrouped data. Okay, so we have grouped data as well as ungrouped data for the momentous. Okay, we define this one for both of the data. Okay, now see that mu1 it is a 0. Okay, mu1 it is a 0 for a grouped data. Okay, so we in a group data we have mu1, mu2, mu3, mu4, and similarly in ungrouped data also. Okay, yes, for grouped data we write. Okay, I'm writing it here for the group data. Just need to remember this one. Okay, grouped data. Okay, grouped data mu1 0. Okay, so mu2 we write the summation of fi into xi minus x bar. Okay, the summation of fi into xi minus x bar square. Okay, divided by capital N. Okay, this one is the mu2. Similarly, we write mu3. Okay, summation of fi into xi minus x bar cube, okay, xi minus x bar cube divided by capital N. This one is a mu3, okay. Then we write mu4 fi into xi minus x bar raised to 4 divided by n. That means that power, if mu3 is there, then power 3, mu4 is then power 4, all term remain as it is, okay. Yes, this one is for the group data, guys. I'm writing here for the ungrouped data as well, so you will get an idea for the ungrouped data, okay. Yes, so here mu1 is a 0 for the group data, okay. I'm writing here for ungrouped data, okay, ungrouped data. Now see that for the ungrouped data carefully, guys. The data it remains same, okay. Just we don't have mu1 0, so we write mu1 as a summation of xi minus x bar, okay. Mu1 we write summation of xi minus x bar divided by n. This one is a mu1, okay. Mu2 we write the mu2 again. It is only the power square, okay. Xi minus x bar bracket square, okay, divided by n. What we write? Xi minus x bar. So if you can't understand here, let me write mu2 at down over here, okay, so that you can understand. Mu2, let me write mu2, which is equal to mu2 or u2, okay, u2, which is equal to summation of xi minus x bar bracket square divided by n, okay. Mu3, okay, summation of xi minus x bar bracket cube divided by n, okay. These are the momenters for ungrouped data, guys, okay, and this is the momenters for the grouped data, okay. Need to understand these two ones, okay. These are the values that we needed, guys, okay, that you just need to remember this one, okay. So let me write for the momenters to the raw data, okay. You need to remember these values for the group data and ungrouped data, okay. So it is the central momenters. After that central momenters, we go for the raw momenters, okay. Raw momenters, what is actually meaning of raw momenters? The moment, okay, moment about the point, okay, moment about the any point of observation different from mean, okay. Moment about the any point of observation different from mean known as the raw momentums, okay. The rth moment about any number is defined as a mu into r, okay. Rth moment means mu into r, okay, that we take it as the dash over here, okay. Yes, so we have standard form for momenters, okay, raw momenters. You just need to remember, okay, mu r, okay, mu r can be written as, I'm going to write mu r as a summation of fi, okay, mu r as a summation of fi, okay, into xi minus a to the power r, okay, divided by capital N. This is a mu r, okay, this one is the mu r. So see that if we are going to take the value for r is a 0, okay, okay, if r is a 0, that means this to the power 0 is a 1, okay, and mu 0 dash. So what we get here, mu 0 is a dash over here, okay, mu 0 dash, we get it 0 over here, sorry, 1 over here, okay. Mu 0 dash is a 1, okay. Now see that whenever we have r0, that means this power goes to 0, any power to the any number to the power 0, which is 1, okay. Yes, and summation of fi divided by n, frequencies, here it is a frequency, summation of frequency, and this one is en, means capital N means summation of frequency, okay. So that we can cancel this both of the side, okay, summation of frequency and this summation of frequency we can cancel. En, what is the actually meaning of en, guys? En means this capital N means summation of frequency, so we cancel with this one with this one because this power goes to the 1, so that's why mu 0 dash is a 1, okay. So you can write mu 1 dash, okay, mu 1 dash. So we write summation of fi, okay, xi minus a to the power 1 divided by capital N. 1 no need to write, okay. So similarly you can extend it, guys, okay, extend mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash, mu 4 dash, okay, and so on. That way you have to expand the value over here, okay. So not the difficult, and if you want you can expand these terms also, okay. So how can we expand the term? Here you can expand the value for mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash, and so on, okay. Just need to replace this r over here, okay. So remember this formula only, okay, for momentous, raw momentous, okay. Yes, So now see that proper choice of A can be reduced the calculation of a calculating mu r dash and mu r. Okay. So whenever we select the proper A over here, so we can reduce over here the calculation or steps of the calculation. Okay. Yes. So now see that there is some relation between mu r dash and mu r. Okay, that means there is a relation between central momentous and raw momentous. Okay, let me explain that relation over here. Okay, so these are the relation here. I written over here the relation between central momentous and the raw momentous over here. Okay, now see that mu naught which is equal to 1. Okay, mu naught which is equal to 1, we know that the value it is mu naught 1, mu 1 it is a 0. These values are constant over here, we cannot change. Okay, yes. So we want the we want the relation between this one is a central momentous, this side it is a central momentous, and another side represented is here raw momentous. Okay, yes, this one is central momentous and raw momentous. So if you want the value for mu 2, you can write mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash bracket square. Okay, so if you want value for mu 3, you can write mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. Okay, so this is the value for mu 3. Similarly, you can write for the value for mu 4 also. Okay, so actually this is the relation. This is the relation between central momentous and the raw momentous. Okay, central momentous defined as mu r dash, okay, and mu r, and raw momentous defined as the mu r. Okay, so already I explained this concept in my previous lectures also, guys. Okay, you can see it from there. I hope you all have understood, guys, momentous, that we needed these values over here for substitution purpose only. Okay, yes, this is the actually relation between mu r dash and mu r. Okay, that is here for the relation. I hope you all have understood, guys, this relation. Okay, just need to remember these values. Okay, I will tell you or while solving the example how can we remember these values. Okay, that is here. Okay, I hope you all have understood, guys, my today's lecture. That is only for the today's lecture, everything about the momentous. Okay, momentous is nothing but it's only, some calculation based on the mean or arithmetic mean type of the data. Okay, it's nothing other than this. I hope you all have understood the relation between central momentous and raw momentous. Okay, okay, that is here for my today's lecture, guys. I hope you all have understood everything. So we'll see you in our next lecture. So thank you everyone. Thank you for my today's lecture.